अक्सर हम शादियों और इवेंट्स में जाते हैं और कुछ ना कुछ नुक्स निकाल कर घर वापस आ जाते हैं। लेकिन क्या हमने कभी सोचा है कि इन इवेंट्स को रियलिटी में इतना बड़ा बनाने के लिए कितने एफर्ट्स, कितना कियोस और कितना सारा टाइम जाता है। इसीलिए आज मैंने आपको ये बताने के लिए कि इवेंट्स के पीछे कितना सारा तामझाम होता है, बहुत ही सुंदर 3 लेडीज़ को इनवाइट किया है जो नासिक में ग्रैंड इवेंट करते हैं। तो आज हम आए हैं डॉल्चे पे। So welcome to the PK Talk Show. I am Prabjot, the host of PK Talk Show and founder of Media Shark. आज मैं आप सबको ऐसी 3 लेडीज से मिलाऊंगी जिन्होंने इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को एक नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके गए हैं. So let's go. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hi.
Hi.
Sorry. Sorry. Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hi ladies, welcome to the PK Talk Show.
Hi.
Thank you all for coming, and I'm really glad that we are doing it after so many discussions.
Glad.
So we start with our introduction.
Yes.
So we'll start with Shweta. Can you
Yes.
please introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Shweta Sada Vankte. I'm founder of Crafted Weddings and Events. We curate weddings, social events, corporate events, keeping in mind intentional and detail-oriented approach.
Nice. How about you, Purva?
Hi, I'm Purva Bhavsar Kelkar. I'm actually a computational biologist by training, but now I'm managing our hospital, Kelkar Hospital, as its CEO and director. I'm actually, so because of the duality that I am in, that is my creative and analytical side, I think I'm trying to apply both of these things into organizing events and creating experiences for children and adults together. Yeah, so I'm part of a few events and organizations. So probably we'll talk about it in some time.
Yes. How about you, Risham?
Hi, my name is Risham Kaur and I am one of the partners at the House of Miracles, which is very close to my heart. And also, I am one of the partners at an NGO by the name of Road Rakshak. I am a wife and I'm a mother of two beautiful children, Siddhak and Sifat. I am born and brought up in Dubai and I got married in Nasik. I've studied interior designing by profession.
So, ladies, moving on to, we have been like all our mothers sitting here, right? And you all are coming from different cities. You are from Nasik
I'm from
itself.
Nasik, yes.
You are from?
I'm from Malegaon and I've been to like different places, and I was here in Nashik for a while and then I came back. I think it's a full circle.
Right. And you are from Dubai, you mentioned. So, Nasik में आके, how was it for you both? But obviously, culture बहुत अलग है. You are from Nasik. I'm born and brought up in Nasik. So, हमारे लिए it is, Nasik is growing for us.
Right.
But आप लोगों के लिए coming from other cities, how was it then?
So honestly, it was definitely a huge transition. I will say it wasn't an easy journey. And coming from a fast-paced city like Dubai to Nasik, it was a very difficult experience. But I'll say that Dubai will always be close to my heart because that was where I grew up. Nasik still has a lot of culture and family values. So that is one thing I really appreciate here.
Right. And what about you? You're coming from Malegaon.
Yeah. So of course I've come from a smaller town, and coming to a bigger city many times it's a very like a gift. But I've also been around in places outside India. So I was in the US for a long time. I was working over there. So coming back over here, I think I had to forget a very big chunk of myself and getting used to the culture and the surrounding over here. So of course that is a challenge, and we cannot just forget that. Coming here, I think we found different opportunities. Of course, this is a very cultural place. The communities are smaller, but they are together, and the city has a lot of potential for growth also.
Right.
So, if you're living in a place which has potential for growth, I think it's going to help you also grow along with it. So, I think that's a good thing that I am, hoping from the city.
एंड श्वेता, जैसे आप यहीं पे बॉर्न हुए हो, ठीक है, अभी आप यहीं पे यू गॉट मैरिड और आप यहीं पे अभी इवेंट्स भी कर रहे हो एंड ऑल, सो आपने कैसे देखा है नासिक को चेंज होते हुए ओवर दीज इयर्स?
Yeah, I would say the city's grown tremendously. There were times in our younger age we went to a specific place, we kind of knew so many people, like we knew everyone on the table. Now it's not that anymore. There's so many people coming in for opportunities in this city, and this city is growing. There's so much happening in the space of events and weddings, and how Nasik is come into map for destination weddings also. And a lot of people are interested to come to this city. I think I'm seeing changes.
राइट, एंड ऑल ऑफ यू आर मदर,
Yeah.
राइट? सो कैसे आपको लगता है कि शादी के बाद एंड मदरहुड ने आपको प्रोफेशनली भी वो एक चैलेंज आया है आप लोगों को, या देयर इज अ ड्रास्टिक अडेप्टेशंस और एडजस्टमेंट्स दैट यू हैड टू मेक टू कॉम्प्रोमाइज ऑन योर प्रोफेशंस, और इट वाज वेरी इजी टू चूज?
See, nothing is easy. Obviously, there were a lot of difficulties, but marriage and motherhood is not an ending. You can actually even take it as beautiful new beginnings. And with motherhood and marriage, you mature so much at every step that even you learn a lot of new things about yourself that probably even you wouldn't know earlier. You
Right.
kind of identify yourself even more, and I think that you become more stronger and wiser versions of yourself
Right.
gradually with time.
राइट,
To be honest, nothing, if you talk about balancing motherhood with profession, like you said, it is, to be honest, it's never a perfect balance, because sometimes the motherhood takes the priority, sometimes it's the work, and even the society, even today, they expect a lot from women.
Right.
Whether it is professionally, whether it is being emotionally available all the time, being a good housemaker, being a
Right.
good mother, to look good. But it is very important at the end to understand that you cannot have it figured out all the time. You learn at every step,
Right.
which is completely okay.
राइट,
So it is not going to be, it is not easy, but you learn at every phase.
राइट. व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट इट?
Similar. So I think for me at least, the motherhood wasn't a big challenge in the career, but moving over here was. So I think, which is something that I had already dealt with. But with motherhood, I think it gave me a lot of patience, and it made me a good manager. So I probably learned how to manage my time even better. So like now you sit down and you think, अरे पहले तो मेरे पास ये इतना time होता था, what was I doing? So if you're not doing a lot before or something like that will change the world, then probably you should not blame parenthood for that. And I think it inspires you to probably be a better person and do better for the people around you or the society, because that's where your children are probably going to grow. So it helps you motivate in many ways, and you, of course, you become a better person, and you implement all these things in your work also. So I think parenthood is never a challenge, like how many kids you have, or if you even don't have any. But let that not stop you in any way. Yeah, it's about you from within.
And how it had been for you, like how has been marriage and motherhood been for you?
So marriage is about partnership, and I feel like with kids, it's more about your unconditional love, and like Purva said about time management. I think that becomes really, really crucial, and you kind of really wait for spending quality time with your family when you're working outside, and especially during our season time when we don't get to spend quality time with the kids. That's something that I feel like a few things changes with
having kids. Yeah.
Yeah. So see, I have also done events. Okay, I did 2 pageants, so I know doing event takes a lot. Like आपको भूल जाना पड़ता है उस time के लिए that there is a family behind, or you know you have to be on your toes. Anything can be, and any emergency can come up. Like you have sleepless
I'll
nights.
just add to that
Yeah.
a little. So it's really interesting how this question is not asked to any man.
Yeah.
Okay. How we identify first as, you know, women and this and
Yes,
that,
absolutely.
and a wife and a mother.
Right.
I don't think these questions are asked to any man.
Right.
And instead of challenging that, I feel it's rightly so, because we actually are, you know, going from this one role to
Right,
another.
right.
I don't think our partners are doing that so much.
Yes.
So
Because
I've
they
come
know that
around
there's
to-
somebody else who would take care.
yeah,
So
yeah.
they can just leave things and
so while
walk
getting
off.
out, I don't
Maybe,
think they have to. Not all men have to think about, you know,
Right.
how they are going to manage the children's schedule. So I think it is actually challenging for women to actually, you know, play all
Change
these
the
roles
roles, yeah.
together. Yeah,
Yes.
from like wearing one hat to be
Yes.
next.
So coming back to my question was कि you know it is so challenging at times कि हमें सब भूलना पड़ता है कि there's a family, there are kids, there are everything. But लोग जब इस event पे आते हैं and they see the grand event, right? उसमें भी वो कुछ ना कुछ तो नुक्स निकाल के ही जाते हैं.
That's
So
true.
you know you would all have witnessed this.
Yeah.
आप लोगों के सबके साथ हुआ होगा कि आपने कुछ बहुत grand scale पे किया है and आपको लगता है कि it is successful, but कोई लोग एक छोटा सा point करके ही जाएंगे कि यार इसमें ये कमी ज़रूर रहेगी. So what do you think, you know, what message would you want to give? How difficult or easy it is to do events?
See, it is not. It does not seem that easy how it actually looks, because
Yeah.
behind creating an event there is a lot of organizing, planning. Emotional thought to it,
Right.
plus teamwork, which
Right.
is very important, and also, you know, taking care of each and every detail. But then when you end up seeing smiles on the faces of the children, so then at that time, that moment, every effort feels worth it.
Right.
तो ऑब्वियसली लोगों को नहीं दिखता है, बट बिहाइंड द सीन्स क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता है, बट देन एट द एंड ठीक है, देयर आर पीपल हु कंप्लेन करते हैं ये वो, बट देन देयर आर ऐसे भी लोग होते हैं जो appreciate भी करते हैं.
Right.
And when people appreciate, when parents come and tell you
Right.
कि no, our children had a great time, and when you see the smiles on the faces, so then you actually feel कि नहीं यार, you know, we did well.
Right.
So, for me, looking at this very objectively, I actually feel fine. A person who is not, you know, who doesn't know what goes
Yeah.
behind,
We'll-
they definitely
talk
have
about
a right
Yeah.
to say what they liked and
Right.
what they didn't,
Yeah.
which is right on their part. So I believe in taking reviews also very seriously, and I think the negative reviews help you more than the positives
Positive.
Yeah.
do.
Yeah.
So I aim to take them like I'm still
Positively.
learning to take them positively, and take the probably, you know, like what went wrong, what
Right.
somebody felt wrong, and implement that the next year. So
Right.
whatever is possible for you to do. And also people who actually know or are actually doing something by themselves, they don't criticize a lot,
They'll support.
because yeah, they know what you know is happening,
Efforts
what
are
it
taken.
takes to do something.
Right.
So it's like that, when you are doing something you become more humble, less critical, and you appreciate any effort. So I think this is something that all of us are evolving to learn.
Right. But in your case, like, see, they still have time to prepare, you know,
Correct.
they still get months to prepare for their
Correct.
events.
Correct.
Wherein in your case, like, you know, it's like after 2 months or after a month, and
Correct.
sometimes it's like spontaneous कि हमें
Correct.
जल्दी ही करनी है, आप जो
Correct.
भी करना है. So how do you manage it, and how do you see people viewing your hard work or maybe whatever you have done? Because शादी में सबसे ज़्यादा criticism शादी वाली event में ही होता है.
See, the thing is, I feel like weddings are very, very emotional.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's very emotionally high. The feelings
Yeah.
are on the highest form.
Right.
And everybody wants their dream wedding. The couple
Right.
wants their dream, their vision to come alive.
Right.
And we only follow through the whole process
Right.
and really look forward in executing how they wanted. Sometimes things are not in our control, and a
Yes.
few things can go wrong or haywire, but we take it with a pinch of salt because we need to grow from where we are, right?
Right.
And we are only here to give better experiences to our clients
Right.
and our guests, you know.
Yeah.
Right.
So yeah, we always take it with a pinch of salt. We always take learnings from it. We always take our criticism seriously.
Seriously, right.
We don't take it lightly. We don't say that we don't want to learn. We
Right.
always want to learn and grow through this whole process.
Right. You likely said कि there are last minute emergencies that come up and
Right.
there are things that just happen और ये हर event में होता है. ऐसा कोई भी event आज तक नहीं हुआ है कि जो बहुत ही smooth जैसे हमने plan किया है, जैसे हमने visualize किया है वैसे ही हो जाए. So ऐसे कोई incidences जो आप लोगों के साथ हुए हैं जो बहुत ही last minute हो गया and you were never prepared for it and then you had to take some action. It can be funny or it can be really
With me, I think a few years back, there was this wedding in peak wedding season, okay? That means in November. It started pouring like how it goes in monsoon.
wow.
yeah.
And all the events were planned outdoors. Okay. And we had to be really on top of our games. We did like a waterproof covering for a specific food area and tried to shift the entire event inside and made it look seamless. My team was on their toes throughout. We had sleepless nights, but we executed the event to the T, and it didn't feel like a compromise. So that's funny, but yeah, you have to be really quick with decision making
Yeah.
in this field.
yeah.
Yeah.
And in your case, did you face some challenges like this?
Challenges तो यार, see last minute there's a lot happening last
Right.
minute, you know, it's like इतना बड़ा event है, कभी कोई electricity problem हो गया,
Right.
कभी वो electrician नहीं आया, कभी ये
Right.
wire इधर से कट गया, कभी the generator is not working, कभी there are like it's like the last minute just running here and there, here and there, here and there, but then again we have a good team, there's a lot of teamwork present, so then when everybody comes together, so then you kind of overcome all the challenges that come and go, you know. Obviously people have here and there complaints either, but then we all managed to take care of all of it. तो जैसे अभी we had that balloon drop, तो वो भी वो कर तो लिया, अभी वो आ रहा है, नीचे जा रहा है, ऊपर जा रहा है, will it fall, will it this, मतलब till the last minute, till it happens.
Still, yeah, you're holding your
Oh,
breath.
we are like, yeah, it's like, oh God, will it go, will it go? जब तक हो नहीं जाता ना, तब तक we're like, okay, you know, then it's fine. So till the last minute, till it ends, you're like always on your toes, you know,
Right.
figuring it out. Is everything fine? Is everything going good? So it's basically organize. We do the organizing part, but then you yourself cannot really enjoy the event because you're like always on your toes.
Yeah.
If everything's going perfect or not.
And in your cases, like you do it for kids. You have to be so cautious about
Yeah,
things.
yeah,
right?
yes,
Exactly.
yes,
So,
yeah.
what are the major precautions that you take during your events?
Yeah.
Like, what are the safety factors?
Sure. So, because I do kids walkathon,
Right.
the biggest, and for everybody, I think for you also,
Yeah.
the biggest challenge is the safety.
Safety.
Okay, it is okay if you do not do, a specific feature or something, but the safety is the priority always. So I think so that plenty of things are done in that regard. So for me, it is actually we are using the street.
Okay.
Which is a very busy street. It is
Right.
done on Mahatma Nagar Road.
Right.
So of course we do it early in the morning. We have all the police permissions. We have like huge number of volunteers.
Right.
We have plenty of team meetings before that, and I have like I always need systems and SOPs in place
Right.
for everything. So there's always a plan B, plan A, and then a plan B, a backup plan.
Right.
And so you have to actually instruct all these people that ऐसे हुआ तो कैसे करना है, ये हुआ तो क्या करना है.
Right.
So plan A में तो सब ठीक से चल रहा है, but there are all these alternatives that you need to plan. So we also ask parents to be along with them. We have ambulances. We actually also have doctors
Right.
on site, and so volunteers help a lot. And also, like, you have to make a lot of announcements and create an environment, that conducive environment. Like, you're here not to go against each other, but to take care of each other. And that makes a very big difference, the environment that you're creating
Right.
from stage also.
Right.
So we keep on giving all these instructions a lot, and so far it has been good, and we
Good, yeah.
hope that goes on.
Right. So, Shweta, were you always into events before also, like before marriage and kids, or you started it later?
Yeah, so after finishing my MBA in finance, I was briefly working with a bank.
Okay.
It was a desk job. And growing up, I always wanted to do something of my own. I couldn't imagine myself doing a desk job forever.
You're not made for that. You're not made
And
to.
then I started this small party shop in Nashik.
Oh.
Yeah, that was one of a kind back then. There's
Yeah,
only
yeah,
one
yeah,
such
yeah,
even right now. And that's when I started getting inquiries from friends and family to do some home-based projects.
Okay.
And that's how I started, and with word of mouth and the kind of appreciation that we received, we started growing and getting bigger jobs and better opportunities. And that's how I actually entered in this field.
So it's been how many years that you're into events and corporates?
About 9 years.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
And in 9 years, you have made everything all by yourself.
She has.
Yeah.
She has.
So I started from scratch.
Yeah. So I've seen her journey actually.
Yeah.
And it's very inspiring how she is the boss at what she does. And the quality of work she does is like you ask her to do a certain things and she'll deliver.
Thank you.
Yeah. So it's a really good quality she has.
So you both have partners. Like she's doing everything independently, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah. So she's doing everything independently. You have partners.
Yeah.
So how easy or difficult it is to work with partners when it's events?
Yeah. So see, I believe in coming together and collaborating.
Right.
Fine, you have ideas. Everybody has different ideas. So everybody doing different things separately. You coming together gives you more energy, more resources. So it's always good to come together. And especially this is a community event. This is for a social thing. And coming together is actually the foundation of it. So of course, then you choose partners accordingly. So you actually have a good dialogue before coming together if you're
Right.
compatible
Right.
in doing something. Also, what are your ideas for this particular thing? It can be events, it can be your ethics, it can be your motivation, your motive for
Right.
doing all these things.
Right.
So it can be all these things which you actually sit down and discuss. And if you feel you're compatible in all these things, you go ahead and start something. Do you have differences when you're actually doing the things? Definitely. Do you have arguments? Yes, you would. But all you have to remember is जो सामने वाला जो बात कर रहा है ना वो किस चीज़ के लिए? Is it for the good of the event or it is just some personal ego thing? So if it is really about the event, the program, then you can take it objectively and choose what will be the better thing to do.
Right. So in your case, there are many ladies.
Yeah,
it's not
but
2 or 3.
to be honest, it's been amazing so far because see again we as a team we divide the work according to the person's caliber. Now every person is different.
Absolutely.
Someone is good at accounting, somebody is probably good with some brilliant ideas, someone is good in doing all the hard work and talking to people, having that PR relation
right.
with everyone. So then you have to identify the caliber of the person of who is good at what, and then in the ending you pour in all your ideas at the table when we meet, and then everybody is having these group discussions. Obviously there are ups and downs, but then at the end what important is that we work as a team. That has to be the number one priority, that we are a team no matter what, and everybody works together, puts in all the efforts together, and that's how something big can come up.
Right.
So-
So were you working before House of Miracle?
No.
No. So how did House of Miracle come to you? Like, what made you think, yeah, I should be part of this?
So I always wanted to be a part of something that was creative and meaningful. And when I got this call suddenly, and I was like, okay, so the opportunity is coming on its own, and I was like, definitely yes, I am in for it. And I think that was the best decision I've taken so far. And it has been a beautiful journey by now, and that's why I said House of Miracles is always close to my heart, because it was probably it was something that came to me at the right time. Because as I said, coming from Dubai to here the life has been full of adjustments, like a lot of adjustments.
Of course.
And then when opportunities like this come at your doorstep, so House of Miracles came like a miracle to me.
And you are a scientist.
Yes.
Yeah. Leaving everything aside, you know, leaving you. It's like being a scientist. Like you have studied so much, right? Coming and doing events.
Yeah.
Like, why did you choose to do events, and how different it is from being a scientist to organizing events? Or do you carry some, you know, I'm just asking question randomly.
Yeah, yeah,
You
please.
just frame it
Yeah,
as per
yeah.
you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, you know, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आप अपने स्टडीज से भी इसमें इनकलकेट करते हो?
Right, right. Did I land up in events? Not really. Since my school, I had been organizing programs and events.
Okay.
So let's say 14th August, like day before 15th August, I was not in any of the in the classroom, but I was organizing, you know, for the next day.
Right.
We also used to do like student fests. Even in college, I used to do all these things. So yes, I think this organizing has been part of me since years. That's how my upbringing also has been, because my family has been doing is still involved in so many things.
Right.
So that management, I think, you carry with you. Being a scientist, so the analytical mind that you develop through this actually helps you in organizing all the other things also. So let's say with me, I think it is more about the process. So I'm more process driven. So I have just a model. When I was I'm doing scientist work, what I used to do is I used to generate models to get something done. Okay, I have data, I have the model, and then I have the results, the
Right.
outcome. So it is more of this framework that I work on.
Okay.
So all the things I do is a framework. So your framework you can apply at different places. Yeah.
Right.
So I think coming here and not doing what I was doing before, you know, land up doing. I think I just, you know, landed up doing organizing events, and I think I'm using the same structure there.
Right. Shweta, you are creating dreams for people. Like, you know, it's a marriage for everybody is a day. Like, they would want to live that day forever. Like, it's something they would record, it's there. So everything has to be perfect, right? So how did you, you know, how do you manage all this with your team, and how much time does it take for you to curate the entire planning and structure everything and convince the client that we want to do this? Because everybody have something in their mind, but sometimes it may happen कि आपको लग रहा है कि, you know, this is not something that would go with maybe this place or situation.
Correct.
So how do you, you know, do that, manage it?
So, like you rightly said, that every client comes with their own personality, their vision, and their aspirations for their weddings, right? You know, they have, and there's so much available on social media these days that they want everything.
The whole
Like they
vision.
want all the color palettes for their husband. They want pink, they want orange, they want yellow, they want. So, you know, it's their important day, and they have high expectations. But when you know, what I do is I sit down with them, try to first understand what their expectations are, and then I try to guide them in a way that what will look nice at a particular venue with a particular landscape, and then I kind of suggest the color palette that goes well with the morning function, that'll go well with the evening function. So it's a process, and I tell them what's practically possible at that particular location, and then we set the expectation correct and start with the journey of.
Is it easy to convince them, or
So every client is different, right? One size doesn't fit all. It's not always everybody respects the kind of experience that I also get to a table. They understand that I have done events at a particular venue, at a particular destination. They know that I would have certain knowledge of what can go wrong and what will work beautifully. And only when you can trust somebody that you take on board can the event be successful. It can't be half-hearted. Like even I, as a person who curates wedding, I also have to be fully involved in the process. It can't just be one-sided, or it can't just be you know, fragmented. It's complete involvement in the process.
Yeah, nice. So you both do experiential events for kids, right? So why do you think it's important, and why did you bring this change in a city like Nasik, where awareness was not there, of course,
Right.
about all these experiential events and all. There were no schools as such. Up to schools bhi aa gaye where they give such kind of culture to kids. So why do you think कि आपने शुरू किया, and how did people take it?
So, something for children was important to get introduced in the city. One reason being that children are growing very fast.
Right.
Okay, and everything has become so digital now, and they are so busy in their own lifestyles with the screens and everything. So, bringing some events like these for the community was important for the children because it kind of brings like a family bonding time. Plus, it also brings about the confidence in the children. You meet new people. It brings togetherness, and also another point is that it helps you create a lot of memories. And such events and such committees was important in Nasik because family values is still present in Nasik.
Right.
So that is one plus point in this city, and bringing the culture together, bringing the society together, creating a lot of memories. So that was one perspective of our event. It's not always about the decor and the entertainment. It's also about family bonding,
Right.
creating connections, building the confidence.
Yeah.
And creating a lot of memories.
Right.
So this I feel is important in every city. In fact, even in your events, the children come together, they run around, they play. It builds a lot of confidence in them as well. You
Right.
know.
So I at least think like I cannot claim to have brought some culture or awareness in the city. Things have been happening in the city for children and
Right.
for adults over the years. So this place is known for its culture. So I will not take the credit for doing anything very different. We are definitely part of this whole ecosystem and doing something small, giving our contribution to that.
Right.
So I think parenthood probably taught us into doing these kids thing.
Right.
So through Confetti Lab, we do experience for children. So we would do like workshop sort of things where we would introduce a new topic to children from, let's say, 3-year-olds or 5-year-olds to 11-year-olds. Okay, the motive behind is like just to raise their curiosity for something. So let's say we did a archaeology workshop where they did a lot of digging and we introduced them to the Indus Valley civilization. So with this, they get some hands-on experience for this. They learn about the history. They learn about, there's this thing called archaeology, and
Yeah.
that's how your interest is piqued into this, and they can definitely explore about it later. So we did like nature trails and nature workshops also. So all these things actually help them to get introduction to something.
Right.
So through Nasik Kids Walkathon also, our aim is to bring children out, come together with families and just take a walk. So we keep it non-competitive because the aim
course,
is not
not the
the
competition,
end thing.
right.
It's not the
Right.
competition. You're
Right.
not. You shouldn't be. The world is there to bid you against each other. So we don't want to be part of that. We want to develop a community which is actually supporting each other,
Right.
and that is extremely necessary now because. Like
There's so
Risham
much of
also said,
competition
everything,
everywhere,
competition
yeah.
is there, and everybody is becoming so isolated. So you have to come out of this isolation and come
Right.
together. Actually, feel the touch.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That family, having the family values, the bonding, all that is gone somewhere, because
Right.
everything has become so digital and everybody's so busy in their own
Yes.
lifestyles
Yes.
that spreading knowledge, basically it's important to spread knowledge
Yeah, like
and
awareness that is there
awareness.
already inside you. You are a social being. You
Right.
have to be among people.
Yes.
So
Quality time with
Absolutely.
Yes.
Spending time with the
So it's more
family.
about the experience. It's more
Just
about
come
the journey.
out, have
Right,
fun
yeah.
with your
Yeah.
family, with your friends,
Yeah,
with your
yeah.
grandparents, with everybody.
Yeah.
So we also get like requests. अरे कुछ dress up होके आना है क्या?
अच्छा.
Is there like a theme?
Yeah, I saw a lot of kids
yeah.
and ladies
Yeah.
itself.
They
you
look
know,
forward to
yeah,
it, you know,
to
Yeah,
look
so
forward. Come so dressed
we
up.
tell people to come in your comfortable clothes and just have fun. We don't want to add this thing to parents ke, or you know like
Pressure
get up
डालो.
even
Yeah.
earlier, dress up, and then again come and you know like rather than looking within, you like look at each other.
Each
अरे
other,
कौन
yeah,
better
right.
कर रहा है?
Yes.
So it's still about yourself.
Right.
So I myself, I want to create experiences for people like adults and children, where they want, you know, it's about them. It's about yourself
Right.
and people around you. So, you know, coming together as a
Right.
community, I think that is very important.
इतने सालों से आप इतने सक्सेसफुल इवेंट्स कर रहे हो, क्या आज भी आपको इवेंट के एक रात पहले या एक उस दिन पे नर्वसनेस होती है?
Of course, that's a never-ending process.
So, ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ है जो आपको ज़्यादा नर्वस करती है?
I think there's so much going behind any event, be it like a social, a corporate, or a wedding.
Right.
Okay, there's so much coordination, so much planning, so many teams are involved. Okay, and you're always scared if even one single vendor underperforms,
Yeah.
and you want it to be perfect, right? So it's always that pressure, which is always there. Eventually, it goes well, but you always feel that pressure at least one day before, or if you're closer to the event day.
Sleepless nights.
Yeah.
So you have the
of
whole thing
course.
planned, okay? And like I said, I have a framework, okay? Like what has to be done for what, okay? And but because your mind is trained in a certain way, instead of, you know, looking at the positives, you're just thinking about what if this goes wrong, what if this goes wrong, what if this goes wrong. From smallest thing to, you know, like the biggest thing, you're only thinking about that. And I think, I don't know how much we end up, you know, like absorbing the day, but it's actually always like this good feeling that you get at the end of it. Actually, you know, honestly, I don't always get a very good feeling at the end of it because I am a very critical, I'm a self-criticizing person. So, yeah, so I would say,
Basically,
"Arey,
want to think the negative first.
yeah, yeah, especially about myself. So people can hold on their, you know, criticism, but because I'm already done criticizing myself a lot and how things could have, you know, this I could have done in a different way. So I do that myself.
What makes you nervous?
Me, everything.
So you all are holding your hands. कि
Oh
बस ये
yeah.
हो जाए
I mean,
and-
sometimes, you know, I remember one instance. Our events happen in the month of December, and
Yeah.
a few days before our event, it started to rain, and we were like, "Oh my God!" Like
Because it's an
rains in the
open,
month of
yeah.
December. It's not
Right.
open event, and then you know, matlab, every day something or the other just comes up, and then
Yeah.
you're like always just
And something is
thinking.
not in your control.
Exactly. So,
Weather can never be in your control.
Exactly. So weather, yeah. And like she said, you know, even if you have like a team of 100 people working under
Right.
you, sometimes one doesn't turn up, sometimes one's not feeling well, sometimes you
Yeah,
know there
and
are
it always happen during the
exactly.
event.
So there are always issues till the very last minute.
Also, like you have volunteers, right? If they don't come up, somebody doesn't
Yeah.
come up, you can't do anything that day. So
Yeah.
you need backups.
यस सो हमारे घर में सपोज कोई इवेंट है या शादी है, सो यू नो इतनी प्रिपरेशन होती है और वो शादी हो गई एंड देन अनदर डे वी हैव नथिंग टू डू, राइट? सो आप लोगों के साथ भी होता होगा
Of course होता है. Suddenly
आप
they
क्या
like
कर रहे?
बहुत जॉबलेस फीलिंग आ जाती है एक टाइम के बाद कि यार अभी क्या करे, हो गया अभी तो. No, but
Well, I
then
think for
we
me-
look up for something new more
Yeah,
than
yeah.
okay, now we have to
For
do
me,
this
I
next.
think because I'm managing the hospital also.
Yeah.
And before the event, I think I'm absent from that job. So once this is done, I immediately start thinking of all the things that I have not done since
Yes.
last few days. So I think I go into that.
Yeah.
So, but I take a rest today.
या सो आई एम श्योर आप लोग अभी थक गए हो बात कर करके ऑल आर हंग्री, आई एम हंग्री. सो वी हैव सम इजी बाइट्स फ्रॉम डॉल्चे.
Okay.
So Dolce is our venue partner for today.
You'll see that.
Yeah. So while you were talking about, that you do different kind of events. So there's also corporate events that you do.
Yeah.
So what kind of corporate events?
We do product launches, we do seminars, we do their yearly annual meets and all kind of corporate events. So there are a lot of corporates who are coming to Nasik for an offsite event, and we cater to most of them.
Okay. So how different it is to, do weddings and then switch to corporate events?
Yeah, it's slightly it's fun actually. So when I talk about how I differentiate these three events, are like I feel like your weddings are more emotional, your corporate are more structured.
Worked, yeah.
Okay, everything is pre-planned.
yeah,
okay,
yeah.
and you're avoiding most of these unseen consequences with corporate at least. You know, you're very sure of what's
Yeah.
going to happen and how the
Yeah,
events
yeah,
going
yeah,
to flow.
yeah.
And your social events are very personal and intimate, right? And it's a lot of there's a lot of difference in all these three events, but it's kind of fun and understand what's needed when we have different categories of events that we
So
have to
which
deliver
of
to.
which of these have more last minute requests for you? the
I
the
think-
weddings
I
or
think
the
that's
corporate
a
one?
a minute request, mostly our weddings.
Weddings, yeah.
Because there's so much,
Yeah,
there's so
yeah,
much
yeah.
happening, and most of which the clients have to travel with the puja saman.
Yeah.
There's so
From
much
matchboxes
coordination.
to
Easier to pre-plan the corporate
And all,
ones, I feel.
all
Yeah,
religions and cultures are so
Yeah.
different.
Yeah.
All religion and culture, उनकी
So,
सबकी अलग
हाँ,
तैयारी
exactly,
होती है.
yeah.
Like from a matchbox to
Right.
PR to a bride's costume, and I think
Everything.
everything
So
you
we have
probably
a
have.
person dedicated to
All these things, managing all these things.
managing the puja
Pujas.
and the
Okay.
rituals. Basically,
Okay.
is the ritual guy.
So they understand
Or girl.
everything from
They know
them, and then they
everything
know
and
everything.
They make these boxes, keep
Okay.
them ready as per event, and give them whatever that the panditji needs on site.
But you know, yeah, but because of this, like weddings have become less of a pain to the family,
Right,
and so that
right.
you can push everything
Right.
on,
On the
you
event
guys.
organizers. That's
Yeah,
true.
so
And
you
you
can
can
actually
enjoy,
enjoy.
actually.
Exactly. Yeah,
That's
yeah.
very
You can.
important.
It is.
Yeah, enjoy
Yeah.
your
Planning
day.
only,
Yeah.
there's so much that's go and so much
The
effort that's
efforts.
already been
Yeah,
put
yeah,
in.
yeah.
Don't
So
get to
many
enjoy.
tiny
Right.
little details,
Yeah,
and then
right.
you just know that you just call the person who's in charge of it, and then the
Yeah.
work is done. So
Yeah.
then the people who actually attend the weddings and या जिसके family में होती है शादी, they actually
Are
go
at
very
ease.
relaxed.
Yeah, you should be able to outsource as
Exactly.
many
And
as
as
things
fast
as
as
possible.
possible,
Yeah.
as fast as you can.
Yeah.
Is what I
Actually.
tell them.
Yeah.
Yes.
Like you, I have to do your job. Tell
Yeah.
me as
As
fast
soon-
as
yeah.
you can.
As soon as you
so
know that.
you
Yeah.
know it,
Yeah.
so I can plan
Okay,
things.
yeah.
and
You'll
we
have
are
more time in
like
hand.
organized.
Yeah.
Absolutely, yeah.
That's one thing
Sooner
I
the
think
better,
yeah,
always.
give me a headache.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
Shweta,
yeah. Don't try to do it on your own.
while you are saying this, delegate your work.
Yeah.
So, अभी भी India में या नासिक for that matter, marriage is very personal thing to them. They would want to do everything by
always
themselves,
been,
right?
acha.
So, being an event organizer, communicating this to them, कि no, it's important for you to just accept us and give us the work and delegate this to us. We are there. This is our job. How difficult or easy was for you it was to do this, to bring this culture in Nasik, because still there are events, still there are families, they prefer doing it all by themselves.
100% there are such families who will say we don't need a management team or a
Right.
planning team because
Right.
हमारे घर के चाचा मामा
सबको
भाई,
हमें पता
है।
सब है. Everybody will stand and welcome our guest. We want to welcome our guest.
Yeah.
But when
Huh.
that's fine
I know,
for
huh.
it suits a few people,
yeah.
but mostly these days what I see is the couple is living abroad. They're just coming here to get married. Most of the experience I just coordinate directly
Yeah.
to all these couples on phone or
Uh-huh.
Google Meets. Okay, and I have to coordinate separately with parents, asking them for what is their requirement in terms of all the rituals. That's what they're talking about. And I feel like these people want to give away responsibilities quickly.
Yeah, me too. That's
Because
what
they
I
want
feel.
to
Yeah.
enjoy, right?
Yeah,
Right,
yeah.
Because they want,
I don't.
because it's so
They
intimate
should.
for them.
Yeah.
I mean, they have a planned
Yeah.
and wedding with friends and family. They would truly want to enjoy it, and most people these days happily give away the
Yeah, I feel so.
responsibilities.
Right.
So I think like welcoming and greeting is the part that you would want to do. Of course,
Yeah.
you would want to, welcome your guests,
Right.
your in-laws, and everybody by yourself.
Yeah.
But why do you want to do this bit of, khana lag gaya hai kya,
Okay.
and
Yeah.
are
Gifting
all the
done,
things in
yeah.
place?
The
These are just
hampers are
logistic.
posed,
Yeah,
and the
you don't want to
logistics
deal with the
are
logistics
too
of it,
much.
right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
And there's so much.
Guest,
It's a
welcoming the
wedding.
guest and everything. Yeah.
Yeah.
People are taking flights, people are taking
Absolutely,
trains, people
yeah.
are taking road and
Huh.
reaching a venue.
Yeah.
Like even coordinating that, getting
Yeah.
their
Yeah.
documents so that the
Everything is documented
checking
these days,
process
yes.
is easy. All of that is a lot of
और शादी में
coordination.
कोई ना कोई तो हमारे में बोलते हैं पंजाबी में फूफा या मामा पक्का गुस्सा होके ही जाते हैं तो
I
इस
think
टाइम
सब
पे
जगह ही होने लग गया है वो आजकल. It's
हाँ,
become a very
हाँ,
common
कोई
thing in
तो
every
हाँ,
religion or every culture.
But वो है ना जैसे
कोई ना कोई सड़ ही जाता है.
criticism को you take it with a
Yeah.
pinch of salt, like you said, you take it as a review, a Google review.
You know, so a lot of woke culture is coming and Nasik is adapting, kids are adapting that और बहुत जो हमारा एक्चुअल कल्चर है नासिक का या महाराष्ट्रन कल्चर या रिलीजन कल्चर जो भी है वो पीछे जाता जा रहा है. इन दैट आपने उगम लेके आए, यू नो, यू हैव स्टार्टेड अप विद उगम विच इज़ all about cultural events, you know, different type of activities that are rooted from our culture. So why did you think about this?
So I think partially you, I think, answered that question, and which is right. I think from any culture we have to take what's good in there. So similarly, we have a history of culture. We are like 10,000 years of civilization and culture over here. So you find all the things. But the only this fascination with the West and the colonial mindset that we already have, I think we think like the West is best and whatever we have is very rudimentary. But I think this is changing for good. Now people are opting to, even shop locally. Find like all these geo-tagged things also. Rather than going for something very branded from West, you can buy a local handicraft thing, a heritage piece or an heirloom piece. So that is with the things. And culturally also, see, children will learn whatever you teach them, whatever you show them. So arranging cultural and literature festivals is one way to actually expose them to our culture. And they are definitely going to, get interested in that because it is so rich already. So this is one of the reasons why we do this.
So how does it feel for you to be an independent woman?
See, for being an independent woman for me doesn't always have to be financial. It also being emotionally strong matters the most. Plus, also being confident in whatever you choose. And more importantly, the ability to stand strong
Right.
through all the ups and downs of life
Right.
is, I feel, very important.
Yeah. Similarly, exactly on point because financial and physical independence is definitely something you need to achieve, no matter at what scale. Okay, given that apart, that is the physical, like the tangible things you're talking about. But I think independence is the mindset that one needs to cultivate. So having choices and having ability to choose is the best thing anybody who call themselves independent can do. Also see there are so many expectations, and independent person has to, or a independent woman has to choose what expectations are needed to be fulfilled. Okay. And you can leave the rest, that's okay. You don't have to take the burden of all these responsibilities, okay, which are not necessarily meant for you. Also, like on the other hand, you also have to make sure it is not your partner's or your family's job to fulfill your expectations. So being able to fulfill all these things by yourself and being your own person is I think more to do with independence than probably living alone and being a rebel. Being a rebel definitely doesn't mean being independent. Yeah.
So how's it for you? Like,
I feel like independence for me is to be able to take decisions, big or small.
Right.
That's truly independence for me.
you know, we all can speak this because hum we have that privilege to say that, that finance is not important and all, but there are ladies who, really are struggling with such issues
Of
at
course,
home, and
finance
they do
is
not,
important. It is a
Right.
part of it.
Yes.
It is a part of being successful. Finance is important,
important,
yes.
yeah.
But along with that, we say कि अपना खुद का एक confidence होना बहुत ज़रूरी है to take
Right.
the right decision.
Right.
And to be confident in whatever decision you take.
Right.
Because life throws a lot of ups and downs,
yes.
and you have to have that ability to stand up strong again. You
Right.
have to be able to fight all that battle. So that also is a form of being independent.
Right.
Whether it's for family, your children, yourself,
Yeah.
and you so and also being emotionally strong.
Right.
That is also
And yeah, like you don't have to try to be somebody else trying to impress somebody.
it's just for yourself.
Yeah, that gives you a lot of burden. So not taking this unnecessary burden actually liberates you in so many ways, and it helps you, like it adds on to that independence that you feel. So I think these are all these small factors that contribute to making you something independent and powerful, really.
And now we'll just start with a rapid fire. Yeah. So, how do you define yourself in 3 words?
I would say hardworking, persistent, and empathetic.
So I'm creative and a sustainer, and also a catalyst.
Discipline, resilient, and emotional.
Okay. Folk events or Sulafest? For her, folk events or Sulafest?
Folk events, anytime.
Healthy food or junk food?
Healthy anytime.
Because she's such a fitness enthusiast.
Oh, yes.
When she saw this, she was like, oh, it is fried. Corporate or weddings?
Weddings.
Weddings. Family time or events?
Come on, you cannot ask to pick one. So
Balance
events
of
are
both,
for the
yeah. A balance of both.
my family at the events.
Yeah. Dubai or Nasik?
But you can be honest. Yeah.
Obviously, Dubai.
Really?
Of course.
Okay. What message would you want to give to the young women, who are really, they have taken a step back after being a mother or after their marriages, and they want to restart at some point? So, and they are confused and they don't know what, and it happens with everybody.
Right.
So, what is that one message that you would want to?
For me, I've never taken a break. Even though I was in the hospital and I delivered, I was doing a dinner table setup for my gynecologist. We had an anniversary. So I never sat, and I always feel like women shouldn't wait for the perfect business plan,
Yeah.
shouldn't wait for a perfect team, shouldn't wait for a perfect time to start.
Yeah.
They should just start, they should just show up.
Yeah.
And through the way you will actually be able to achieve your goals and ambitions.
Yeah, so my straightforward answer to that really was don't stop. There is really no need to stop. Nobody else around you is stopping. That is the time you put your foot down, that you're going to keep on doing what. So this marriage or something, that doesn't really have to be the factor that stops you. Yeah. So you probably, like, I wouldn't say I ended up doing that, but this is a lesson that I have learned. Have that discussion, and don't compromise. It's not always worth compromising on that.
See, ups and downs come in life, but as I said before, marriage and motherhood is not an ending. If you take it positively, they can also be beautiful new beginnings.
Absolutely.
So you should not forget who you used to be.
Yeah.
You have to continue being that person, but also keep yourself open to accepting the beautiful new changes that will come in your life.
Right.
And giving up is a complete no.
And this
That
is
is not the
and this is exactly, I think, something we I feel like the cycle needs to be, broken at some point, where we repeatedly keep on asking women the same question. Like, why is it before marriage and after marriage? I would rather say maybe before having a child and after having a child, probably, because you have actually put your body through all this. And I think we need to, address that also. But just talking about marriage, if you're not talking about your partner in that way, then for the coming generation, for the women next generation, we really owe it to them that we don't pass this thing to them.
So my last question to all you would be that what does success mean to you all?
Success is mental stability, good health, having meaningful people around you,
Right.
and also I'd say having the ability to pass on some positive energy and also respecting the people around you.
I think success can be like internal and what you see outward. So outwardly, it is really about doing something and creating a legacy, creating something that makes the world a better place. Also, like, there is no one definition for who's successful and who's not. So success is more within, like setting a goal for yourself, setting aim for yourself, and actually achieving these things. So it's really personal, because otherwise it's just going to be competition, and like just a specific bunch can be called successful who fit into that mold, probably.
How about you, Shweta?
For me, success is a quality family time and a successfully completed, well executed event. It's very simple. There are only two things.
Cheers to that.
So looking, to all of you, where you all are doing so much of work with partners, I think, and we all sitting on this table, I think there's a biggest myth that people have, women are competition to each other, which is not true, absolutely. Like,
No.
I think if we all come together, we can really change
Definitely.
lives.
I feel,
and we
in
can
fact, I feel that
create big
mothers
things.
are emotional anchors of the family,
Right.
And when mothers come together
Yes.
in a community like Nasik,
this, yes.
like us, so they can be natural, positive community builders,
Actually.
And everybody should support each other.
Yeah.
I feel whether
And
she is
ये सब
doing
आदमियों ने
something good,
फैलाया हुआ है,
appreciate
झूठी
it,
औरतें
support it.
लड़ती
What I feel is, this competition doesn't come from within. It
Yeah,
comes
it's
from
come
people
from-
around you.
that's
Like
right.
somebody
Yeah.
bids one person
Yes.
against the other.
Right.
So no. So that's why. So you need to forget all these
All
things.
this,
You really
right.
need to know what you feel about that woman.
Right.
So I think that all these, the sisterhood feeling that really
Yes.
comes out.
Yes, yes.
So you really, like, now I think we are actually going there where get together and talk
yes.
about doing things together.
That's why I said it's
Yeah.
important to have meaningful people,
Collaboration is become more important.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's about who you surround yourself with.
Yeah,
And I think all
having
of us are
meaningful
really
people
blessed.
around is the number one thing,
Yeah, so I think when
and
we
then I
get
think you
to
should
that-
always appreciate one another, support one another,
Yeah.
whatever that person is doing. Always appreciate, always
Like,
be supportive.
appreciate somebody's appearance also. If you
Yes.
really like it, say
Absolutely,
it.
yes.
Yeah.
In this city, I've always observed I've got the most backing from women. And in the field, in my job, like they always tend to, inspire me to do better. They're like, you put in so much work, and
yes.
like,
You
and all
have.
my friends. And
There'll be
also
a lot of DMs also that you'll get. You're doing such a great job. You're such a motivation. You're such an
And it feels
inspiration.
good,
Yeah.
doesn't it? It feels
Absolutely.
great.
Yeah, simplest thing. If somebody, like, if we are doing events, let's spread the word about it.
Exactly.
Let's. I think we end
should
up doing
motivate
this.
each
Yeah,
other.
yeah. And actually, we had been doing that. I think already.
And
Yes.
there are housewives जो है जो they DM you you feel so good, you know, that they are also getting motivated. The housewives sometimes they DM you कि wow, you are doing such a great job, you know, we would also want to. So ऐसे लगता है कि you know we are being inspiration to at least one.
Exactly.
And they always say we could do this because you know we saw you doing this.
Exactly.
So it's
So you
like
should
such an
never
inspiration.
underestimate
And
yourself.
yes,
Exactly.
and we think that we are not doing something big,
However
but
motivated
we know,
you are,
yeah.
I think somebody saying nice to you
Right.
always is going
Absolutely.
to boost you,
Boost you to
a lot.
good.
Yeah, yeah. It's
So you
only
should always continue spreading that positive energy to everyone.
Yeah, so ladies, I think we are not going to stop talking. So we have few gift sponsors who have gifted few gifts for you all. So I'll ask for all the gifts to come in.
Thank you.
So let's. So this is a trophy that we give to everybody. Thank you. So this is given by SC Booster. Wow. Matilal Chumila, and it's a good luck for you. This is given by Jyoti Enterprises. So it's
Thank you.
Yes,
definitely.
Corporate gifting. So you know, if you want to give Diwali gifts and all, so they are the one-stop solution for you to give corporate gifts.
Thank you.
Because you are so health conscious. Oh my God! Eggs from Paratna, they also have skin product and Thank you so much for coming. We appreciate your technical work. I hope we can do something. Let's just do things right. You are next. So you can have this courses and all corporate. I remember for corporate gifting or your just cut up out. Exhibit 7 days, 3 years. Thank you so much for coming. Thanks for having me. Because there are so many corporate events, you know, and mostly consider their corporate events. Thank you. So there's a new brand that had launched ice cream called Peppo. So it's for the pets, not for you all. Okay. Not for your pets. Please try it out. I will please not everywhere at PNR. All the outlets of PNR. Your pets like this. Visit PNR and I know you mine is